Hi, my name is Mary Rodriguez, and this is my farm. We've been here almost 50 years living here. We have 83 acres, and now I'm just producing hay. We used to have our own herd of cows, but we got tired of chasing them around the neighborhood. So, yeah, we had a slight leak that was coming through the bathroom light fixture. So we said, oh, it's time to do something. And I believe all the roofs around here were about 15 to 20 years old. So it was time anyhow. We were so pleased with the outcome. They're so meticulous. Their proposal was right on. It was 5 pages long, and they spelled out everything. Patrick is a wonderful guy to work with. This past winter, we had a lot of wind damage on our garage and the barn. So Klaus was the first person I called. This past winter, with all the storms that we had, we lost a tremendous amount of shingles. After every windstorm, I was out here picking up shingles. So there was still the underlayment, but I didn't want to let it go so that I would have leaks and the wood underneath would be rotted. I think they were done with this roof at 5:30 because they had crews working on both sides. They just zipped right through. It was really good, and they were so clean. Yeah, I just love this roof. My barn roof was installed about 3 weeks ago. The crews showed up at 7. They finished at 6:30 at night. 2 crews working on both barns so they could get them done in one day. Everything went smoothly. The guys were really good. And they had, the crew on the ground cleaning up and get everything in the dumpsters. And since then, I've had so many people compliment me on the color and everything and how fast it went up. I had a friend of mine call from Texas. She was in touch with another friend up here in Lebanon, and she mentioned how nice my barn roof looks. So it gets around the country. Everything has stayed fine, which was good. No leaks, no flapping shingles or anything. We also chose Klaus Larsen because he came to this country from Denmark, and he built this business all by himself, and now he has grown so much. He has this big corporation up in Wyndham now, and it's good to see somebody that can come to this country and succeed in life. I tell everybody, I said, you have to use Klaus Larsen. I said, they do such a good job, and they're pretty honest, and they're so clean. Klaus Larsen's group was immaculate.